Oh, hi. How are you doing? Miss H here, creator of Meg's Music Room. I'm so excited because we're talking about the piano today and we're going to look inside the piano. So give me a second. I'll get my stopwatch and then we'll get started. Okay, I'm ready now. It's time for your music minute. This is the piano. The piano has 88 black and white keys. So it goes from low on the left all the way up to the highest. These black keys are the sharps and flats, and the white keys are called naturals. Inside the piano, you can see that there are hammers. These are hammers moving right there, and the hammers actually hit strings. Let me go inside here. Look at that, isn't that awesome? All of these strings right here, those are the strings. Now, even though they have strings, they're actually in the percussion family. And let me tell you why. The piano is in the percussion family because you play percussion instruments by tapping them. So since you tap that to play, it's in the percussion family. In order for it to be in the string family, you would have to strum it like that, or pluck it, or use a bow. So since it doesn't do that, the piano is in the percussion family. So I hope this helps you out. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give me a thumbs up, comment if you like it. Click on the links in the description below for my social media sites and for other great resources. And don't forget, Meg's Music Room, a music teacher's best friend.